Okay, good morning, all students. We are going to complete the poem, the last part of the poem, the stanza which we could not complete yesterday. The same poem, Go and Catch a Falling Star, in which John Donne, the poet, tells us about womanhood. He shows his distrust in womanhood, that women can't be trusted ever. In the last stanza, he says, when a person he will ride for 10,000 days and nights or for a long journey throughout his age, when he will come back, he will tell what strange things he had seen during his journey, and he would swear that he had not seen any woman who is beautiful and trustworthy, both. And in the last stanza, he says, lives a woman true and fair, if thou findest one, let me know. Such a pilgrimage were sweet, yet do not, I would not go. Though at next door we might meet, though she were true when you met her, and last till you write your letter, yet she will be false ere I come to 2 or 3. Though it is very difficult or it is next to impossible to find such a woman here in this world, according to the poet, but if the person would swear that he had seen a woman who is beautiful as well as trustworthy or loyal, that place would be like a pilgrimage. To meet such kind of woman would be equal to a pilgrimage, according to the poet. But in the next line, he says he would not like to go there if she would live very near to her, near to his house, even to the next door. He would not like to go there to meet her, because when the person who had seen that woman, who had met that woman, would swear by writing a letter or inform the poet about that lady, about that woman, and when the poet would try to approach her, she would turn false, she would turn disloyal. So he would not like to go to meet such kind of woman. The nature of woman is transitory. They cannot be firm. Either they are not beautiful or they are not loyal. According to the poet, loyalty and beauty can't live together in women. Here in this world, strange things can happen or impossible things can happen, but women can't be trusted. We cannot trust women, according to the poet, because of their transitory nature. They keep on changing their lovers or keep on changing their love. They can't be firm. This is all about the poem Go and Catch a Falling Star. Poet has given a long list of impossible tasks in the beginning, and he challenges a person who is adventurous by nature, by birth, he would like to go to see, to search such kind of women, but his journey, his efforts would prove failed, because women can't be trusted. You cannot find a woman who is trustworthy and beautiful. So this is all about the poem. Thank you. I hope you would enjoy this session. Okay, thanks.